Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm here with more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. This one is going to be a little baby crying. So if you're doing a film where a baby's crying through the night, keeping you up all night, and you just can't figure out what he wants, but you're trying to get some sleep, but he just keeps on crying, then you can use this free sound effect. So let's play that baby crying sound effect. This is my son Kyle. Come on. Cry. Cry. Come on, you were doing it all last night and all morning. Well, that's going to ruin the quality. Come on. Do it. You're ruining this video, Kyle. You're ruining this video. Right, that's it. Sorry, guys. Maybe another time. We are going to have stern words later, Kyle. Stern words. So sorry.